Now I think we can start. Okay, children, good morning to all. Now, no need to ask any question in between. I will tell you. If any doubt you can ask, not now, I'll tell you. Now, first of all, you have to listen to my instructions. You take out your AVS classwork, not a new page. New page, write today's date in the margin. I'll give you enough time. Today's date is 27. 27 dash 7. That's enough in the margin. And on the same first line, you write food, F-O-O-D, capital F-O-O-D, because we are going to do something in class today, like drawing.
Ma'am, what is the page number, ma'am?
Let me know who's this child.
Tanvi, ma'am.
Who?
Tanvi, ma'am.
I didn't get you. Please say loud.
Tanvi, ma'am.
Now listen, I never asked you to take any page number. I told you to take EVS classwork new page. Okay, please take it. All must join the class 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes before the time. Okay, take out. Now in between, I don't want anybody to talk.
Ma'am, 2-line notebook.
Double rolled notebook where you are writing your EVS worksheet, all that, take out that. Now, see now what a disturbance. Other children all knew and they were ready. They joined 15 minutes before. I just started by 9:30. Now please try to come just 5 minutes at least before the class. Thank you. Good morning to all. Now what we are going to do is take a new page. After that, I'll tell you what you have to do. Take a new page, write today's date in the margin. Now, some children will be coming and joining till 9:50 or 10:15. So you don't disturb. Now, you write capital F-O-O-D, the heading, food. Same line, the first line. In the margin date, next to that, where you write classwork, you write F-O-O-D, food. Put one hyphen, write CW, that means classwork. CW, classwork. I gave you some textbook exercise to be completed. Hope you'd have done it. I will ask you to show textbook exercise about yourself. Okay, now just see. Now, next line, just write this heading, children. Next line of the same page. DRAW, draw. And.
Ma'am, down of the food.
Listen, excuse me. Don't disturb me, please. Listen to me. First line, you have written food. Next line, draw. No need to leave any line. D-R-A-W, draw. And. A-N-D, and. Color. C-O-L-O-U-R, color. Leave space, any, A-N-Y, any. Leave space 2. Now, children, listen to me. This is the question. This is the question. You have to write that. Now, no need to color in class because it will take time. I will make you draw. Coloring can be done at any time. No need to color now. Only draw now. Afterwards, you can color, not in class. Now, next line, write the heading, body building food. That means you have to draw any two body building food. After that, I'll tell you. Write the heading from the margin, B-O-D-Y, body. For your clarification, you can keep the textbook, page number 10. You can draw any item shown over there. Page number 10 by the side of you, you can keep. But I will show you 2 pictures.
Please,
Please listen. No, I don't want you to talk. No. All others are listening. All must listen. Now, body building food on the next line. First, draw and color any 2. Next, body. I don't want any child to talk in between. BODY, BUILDING, body building. One child keeps on talking the whole time. How other children will listen then? Body building food. That is the heading. Please turn off your mic. Body building food. That's all over. Now you just look. Body building food. Now you can take your scale and keep that page into 2. 2. That is, in the middle, draw one line. In the middle, draw one line. And one side, here, I have drawn fish and egg. You can draw anything like a tumbler of milk or meat or pulse, anything. But for your information and clarification, I'm just drawing easy one. You have to take at least 6 lines to draw the first picture. It should be quite big. Please keep that page into 2. You can make it vertically or horizontally anyway. One page, only 2 pictures. That means you have to draw quite a big picture. Now see the fish, how it's drawn. Look at the picture and draw. Don't ask any question. Now you can see the fish. Draw the fish first. Leave a line and draw X down. Only one egg is enough. No problem. And color, afterwards you can color. Not now. Just draw the fish. I'll ask you to show it to me after drawing all the pictures. No need of coloring now. Below bodybuilding food, you can draw a line straight after 5 lines, because one page you can have 2 drawings, fish and egg. You can draw one big fish, neat work, not very small. Anyway you can draw. You can draw it horizontally, you can divide the page, or vertically, anyway. But the picture should be quite big. One page, 2 pictures. See the fish, slowly you draw, children. Try to draw. It's shown on the screen. I will give you just 5 minutes for each picture. It's very easy to draw. No need to color. Egg you can have only 1. Then I'll call one name, then they will tell whether you finish. Because if I ask everybody, all will give me chorus answer. Okay, I'll tell you what you have to do. Now I want Naren. I want when Naren finishes his work, he must tell me, ma'am, I finished. If I ask you to show the camera, and all will be on the thing, fighting and all that. But I will see, okay? After 2-3 pictures, I will see. Now just see the fish and draw it neatly.
Yes, ma'am.
Naren, is it Naren?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you finish drawing the fish?
No, ma'am.
Slowly, slowly. Naren, only when you finish, you must tell me. Okay?
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
just asking you to help me out. Thank you. Just draw a fish. Look at, because it will take time, I want the child to draw. Just draw the fish and the egg. 1 egg is enough. If you want to show a tumbler of milk, a tumbler, you can, that's what I told you. Keep your textbook opened. Page number 10. And pulses are shown there. Easy one to draw. Milk means no need to color anything, just mark it like water level. Yes, Naren? Is it Naren? I am only calling Naren. Naren, finished?
Sai Vasavi, ma'am.
Sai Vasavi, please don't come out of your turn. I'm only calling Naren. When he finishes, I will make you all do the next one, okay? Sai Vasavi, did you come? Now,
Ma'am,
see.
I finished
Naren,
fish.
finish. Naren,
Yes, ma'am.
thank you. Have you drawn the egg, Naren? Egg.
No, ma'am.
Just draw one oval shape.
I finished fish, ma'am.
Very good, very good. I'll just give you 2 minutes, children, you know. Anyway, the recording will come to you. Afterwards, you can do it. But you know now what you have to do. First one, fish. Anything you can draw. Any two. But I am just drawing. Now, those who didn't finish, don't worry about it. You can go back to the recording and see what is the heading and draw your own choice, whatever you have to draw. Now, excuse me, see now. Parents, please help your children not to talk. Already, I have shown 2 pictures now, bodybuilding. Now 1 minute. No need to color now. Now we are going to the next one. New page. Take a new page. Don't worry about this now. Now you know what you have to do. You can go back to the recording and do this. Now take your next page. Next page. Now don't write draw and color. That is the common heading. Now write on the first line, energy giving food. And next page, ENERGY, energy, GIVING, energy giving food, FOOD, energy giving food. Same way. Now let me wait for you. Energy giving food. Okay, children.
Ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, I will hear.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, are you there, ma'am? Ma'am,
Ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, are you there, ma'am? Ma'am, are you there? Ma'am, ma'am.
Ma'am, not able to.
Ma'am, we are not able to hear you, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. Yeah. For me, there's energy giving food. Back சொல்லு.
Then you are energy for me.
ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I think ma'am's connection cutted. Ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Ma'am's connection has been cutted. Now we cannot see you. Ma'am.
Hello, children. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Because there was network problem, children. Sorry, now 1 minute. Okay. That's getting done. I'll join you later. Just two minutes. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because there was a problem. Okay, wait. Now we'll get 1 minute. There was a network problem. Now we'll join you within 1 minute. Now all are talking. 1 minute, 1 minute. It's getting connected again. 1 minute, child. Who's that? Who's that keeping music? Sugandhi, please switch off the music, children. Somebody's keeping song. Ma'am will hear all that, no?
நம்மளோட சைடு மம்மியோட போன்ல இருக்கு பாட்டு மம்மியோட போன்ல
Okay, now. What happened? Hello, children. You can continue drawing. By the time I'll show you the next picture, okay? Hello, children.
I already finished drawing.
Okay, you draw it because some problem, we are just getting it connected. By the time you complete 4 pictures. Okay, the rice, butter, and
Ma'am,
the
I
egg.
already drawn.
Okay, very good. Very good. Now I'll show you the next picture. It's not getting connected. It will be done soon. From yesterday, it's very low. Okay, now.
Ma'am, until the connection comes, I can read.
By the time you start drawing, complete the work.
I already finished.
Now, next one, you can take your next page. Okay, 1 minute, I'll show you. You write the heading. By the time, I'll tell you what you have to do. When the picture comes, I'll show you. Okay, next one. Next page, write protective food. When it comes, I'll show you, children. PRO. Take a new page, everybody. PRO. TE. CTIVE, protective. Protective food. FOOD. Yeah, 1 minute. Hope you'll get it soon. Yes. Yes, children. Now all turn off your camera and the microphone. Yes. Shadra, I think. Turn off your camera, everybody. I'll show you the picture now. Tarush, yeah. Now take a new page. Next picture. Yeah. Protective food. Don't write, draw, and color. Sorry for the disturbance, children. Now turn off your camera, children. Quick. Please turn off your camera. Now see, protective food. Children all are on the screen. Now don't do that now. Please see to this picture. Please see, protective food. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protective food. Protective food. See any fruit or any vegetable shown over there. You can draw capsicum, pineapple, brinjal, apple, banana. So I just drew. I'm showing the picture which is easy. Protective food. Protective food. See, same way, apple. Neatly you draw big picture. Apple, then brinjal. APP, you can write the name of the fruit and the vegetable just below. Everything you can write. Rice, for the previous one, butter. There was some issue, children, about the net. In between, it was getting cut. Now, apple, brinjal. Apple, you see, neatly you must draw. Don't draw one small like a gooseberry or a small stone. Write a big picture of apple. And you have to draw brinjal. Slowly you draw apple first. Draw apple. One day, when we take class, we'll be checking all these pictures. Now, apple is very easy to draw. And one leaf, you can have the stem like that. And when you're coloring, use only color pencils. No sketch pen and crayon. Crayon will give you the other side of the page. It will come out and reflection like. See, you take your color pencil sketching. It will be very neat. From one side, from left to right, you have to color. And take a small piece of paper and just do it on top of it. Press it. That can be done later because you won't have time to do now. The brinjal, see that brinjal? Very nice, very easy to draw. And light shade. See the shade given in between light color, that shows that not fully it is violet or purple or whatever it is. Even white background will be there. White shade will be there with slight, small, thin lines for the brinjal. Anything you can draw, but it should be very, very neat and nice.
And
if you have the textbook next to you, it will be easy. Now I want Sri Mukilan to help me. When you finish your work, Sri Mukilan must tell, ma'am, I finished. Then I will go to the next. When Sri Mukilan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
No answer.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll ask somebody else's
Yes, ma'am.
help.
Yes, ma'am.
You went.
Yes, ma'am.
கத்திரிக்காய் பெருசா வர
1 minute. Yes.
இது வந்து இது வரைக்கும் வர
Are you there, Yuvan?
சிறிய முகிலன்
Yes,
சிறிய முகிலன்
Kurandi? I
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
hear. Okay,
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
சிறிய முகிலன் எஸ் மேம் அவன் நீ சொல்லி கேட்கணும்
Ma'am, Sri Mugilan, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Sri Mugilan, yes, ma'am.
Hello, Yuvan. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, Yuvan.
பெருசா வரங்கிறல்ல சின்ன சின்னதா வரது
Yes.
கேரட் நல்லா போட்டுறதையும் அழிச்சேன் சூப்பர் போட்ட கேரட்
Yuvan, did you complete Sri Mugilan? Don't.
நீயே பண்ற கேரட் போட்ட நான் கேரட் போட்டுச்சேன்னா
1 minute, 1
நீயே போட்டு
minute.
பாரு நீ அடிக்கிற வேற வேலை இல்லையா உனக்கு பெரு இங்க பாரு
Yes.
இந்த லைன் வரைக்கும் வரணும் பெரிய பெரிய போடு போதும் போடும் ரைட் தான் வர வர கேரட் சூப்பரா
Yes. Have you completed Sri Mugilan?
எஸ்
No, ma'am.
எஸ் எஸ் மேம்
Have you completed, children? Sri Mugilan, answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, now we'll go to the next one.
கொட்டு முதல்ல அழகா வரைஞ்சது எப்படி
Let's see.
நோட்டிட்டு முதல்ல அழகா வரைஞ்சது இல்ல
Yes, we'll go to the next one. Write the heading.
எத்தனை பேர் அதை செஞ்சு வரையில பேப்பரை கிழிஞ்சு போடு
Food.
Ma'am, please ask Sri Mugilan to mute. It is creating noise.
Food that can be eaten raw. Food. 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 That. That. Can. Can. Be eaten. Eaten raw. That means without cooking. Children, many things you can eat, but here we won't date all these things what is mentioned in the book. Okay, now hope you have written the heading, and you can draw here cucumber, you can draw carrot, radish, beetroot. See, all this they'll eat. Certain people will eat all this, but see a carrot and cucumber. This is very easy. Nice picture it should be. You can draw a carrot, a cucumber. Slowly draw the carrot. Don't draw very small picture. Carrot.
Carrot for protected food.
Carrot. Then cucumber. Now, Jeff, did you write the heading, Jeff?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Jeff. Now you can draw the picture, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Call somebody else after finishing.
Ma'am, I finished.
Now don't talk in between. Food that can be eaten raw, any two, but easy ones I'm showing you here. And don't do untidy work.
Ma'am,
Exact-
I didn't, ma'am.
New page. 2 pictures. Now, first one is carrot. Second one is cucumber. Just draw like that and see how it's given shading. You must give light shade in between those small, small lines. First you do carrot. Only draw carrot because there won't be enough time. I just want to ask you some questions. Yes, first carrot. And below each picture, you have to write the name of it. And you have to complete today itself, coloring and all that. Because tomorrow you don't have EVS. Do it neatly. Carrot. Now, Alan, George, Alan,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
did you draw carrot, Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Then draw cucumber. Tell Daddy to come soon. I want to hear. Alan, you finished drawing carrot. Now, draw cucumber, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, Niral. 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 Can you help me, Niral? Okay, he's not replying. Punit. Punit.
Ma'am.
Very good. Punit, did you draw carrot?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you draw cucumber?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now that's over. Now, children, don't disturb me. I just want to talk to you. Now, you can complete all this work, coloring, all the completion of coloring afterwards. Now, I just want to ask Sachin. Sachin, turn on your camera. Sachin, I want to talk to you. Sachin, yes. Now, Tangareknam, very good. Now, wait. Tangareknam, wait. Sachin,
Ma'am.
did you do the work what I gave you? Page number, what is it? Homework? The first page 3. Did you complete page number 3 about yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Then one more page number I gave, I think so. That was page number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I want everybody to check your book. Page number 3, page number 8. Good, good, Sachin. Now, all can go for a break. Come back with your maths classwork.
Finish, ma'am.
Everybody finish. Very good, children. Shama, those who did not complete, you have to complete. Okay. Now, you go for a break and come soon because... Yes, Rita. Now, Rita, we have some more work to do, but not enough time because in between the net was getting cut. Now, listen. Listen, you can go for a break. Come back. Now, don't be going on disturbing. Go for a break. Come back. Now, you can leave the classroom.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Come for
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you,
For
ma'am.
math class. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
எந்த பக்கம் வர தூரம் தூரமா வரடா தூரமா வர விடு ரொம்ப
Thank you, ma'am.
இந்த பக்கம் கொஞ்சம் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் விட்டே வர 1 2 போடு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் விட்டுங்க டிஸ்டன்ஸ்
Thank you, ma'am.
விடாம இங்க மேல இருந்து வர
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.